Hi my friends, it's Wednesday, June the 3rd, and I'm not sure why, but my math video decided to stop taping at the end of our 3D shape sorting, where we identified what was the rule that those sets were sorted by. So our second part of our lesson for Wednesday is finding a 3D object that has a 2D shape or a 2D face on it. Remembering that the face of an object is one of the sides. So one of the flat sides of the object is the face of the object. And I'm going to give you a two-dimensional object, and I'm going to ask you to find, I'm going to give you, a two-dimensional shape, and I'm going to ask you to pause your video and go around your house and find a three-dimensional object that one of the sides matches that shape. So for example, my first two-dimensional shape is a circle. So if you were to pause your video and go around your house and find something that one side was a circle, you might find a container of Play-Doh. The top is a flat circle and the bottom is a flat circle and the shape is a cylinder. So you put that down on your page. When you're done collecting the 3D objects, you can snap a big photo of your collection of 3D objects. So pause your video now and go find a three-dimensional object in your house that one of the faces has a 2D shape, the circle. All right, my friends, I hope you found a circle shape on a three-dimensional object. Your next two-dimensional shape to find is a square. Pause your video, go somewhere in your house and find an object that has one side that is a square. A three-dimensional object that has one side that's a square. All right, my friends, welcome back. Your next two-dimensional shape, go and find a 3D object in your house where one of the faces is a two-dimensional rectangle shape. I guess I'll leave my circle up there. All right, my friends, welcome back. Your next one might be a challenge. Try to find an object in your house where one of the sides, one of the faces is an oval. I hope you found something. Another shape I'm going to ask you is to go try find a three-dimensional object where one of the faces is a triangle. What about a three-dimensional object where one of the faces is a rhombus? A rhombus is a four-sided object that sometimes looks a lot like a diamond, but sometimes can look like this one, which is a special type of rhombus or tetrahedron called a parallelogram. See if you can find a diamond shape on one of the faces of an object in your house. And our last shape for today, my friends, is this shape. This shape is a trapezoid. I'm going to move my triangle so I have space to put my trapezoid down. It might be hard to find an object in your house where one of the sides is a trapezoid. It's kind of like a triangle, if I put this on top, that the top got cut off of. So it's got a long straight side and a shorter straight side and two angled sides that come in to meet the shorter side centered in the middle. It's a trapezoid. See if you can find a 3D object that has one side as a trapezoid. And don't fret, my friends, if you can't find a 3D object that matches one of these, that's okay. You'll still have a pretty cool collection of 3D objects, and if you're looking for a real challenge, you could try find a 3D object that has a hexagon as one of its sides. I don't even have a flat hexagon shape with me today, but one of the sides could be a hexagon, and you might have a box or some other kind of trinket object that would be this shape, or a bead or a button. So notice in your 3D object that at least one of the faces is showing this 2D shape, and then snap a photo of all the 3D objects that you found with the two-dimensional shape facing up in the picture so I can see it. Have a wonderful Wednesday, my friends, and I will see you again soon.